Welcome folks, this is the Hindu 31st of Jan. Aero India BEL to showcase state-of-art products. Bharat Electronics Limited BEL will showcase a state-of-art product and system spanning every domain of its business at Aero India 2023 to be held at Air Force Station Yelahanka in Bangalore from February 13 to 17th. The Defense PSU said that the product and the systems to be on the display during Aero India have been clustered as air defense surveillance, C-14 systems, artificial intelligence based products, non-defense and diversification products, radar systems, communication systems, airborne products and systems, homeland security and cyber security, futuristic technologies, missile systems, EO and laser-based products, and outdoor display products. In addition, BEL will also showcase its R&D capabilities by demonstrating some of its new technologies and products. BEL's display in the area of air defense, and surveillance will include hexacopter, tethered UAV, swarm of UAVs, robotic surveillance, shallow water, remotely operated vehicle ROV, D4 anti-drone system. Homeland security and cyber security cluster will include the display of smart city solutions, homeland security solutions, comprehensive integrated border management system, naval aircraft integrated system security system, and integrated perimeter surveillance system. While the missile system display will include air defense weapon system. Thank you.